Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a task in Google Tasks. So I just typed in tasks.google.com. It now takes you to a site under the calendar subdomain. That's great because Tasks integrates really well with Calendar. You can access tasks from Calendar, but if you want the actual tasks main page, you can just type tasks.google.com. And this is what it will look like. So to create a new task, I'm just going to click on the pill over here, create. And it opens up this little pop-up. You can give your task a title. So let's call this test task. You can put it on a specific day. When you click on that, the calendar opens up. You can click the specific day, the time. You can set it to be all day. You can set it to repeat or not repeat. Notice that a lot of the functionality here mimics what you can do in Google Calendar. Set the date, set the time, set it to all day, custom repeat kind of stuff. Then you can add a description of your task. Now basically what you would want to do here is if there's something specific that your task requires, but it's not something you're going to put in the title, it requires you to talk to certain people, whatever, you can add that information to the description, and then it'll be more clear what it is you have to do in order to complete that task. And if this task belongs on one of your lists, you can select the list you want it to appear on by clicking on this last little drop-down menu, and then once you have your task defined the way you want, just click on Save, and that will save your task. Notice it shows up in my giant list of tasks. And then I've got some other options up here. If I click on the snowman, I can add it to start, add a subtask, do a number of things. I can click on the task here and update the details. All right, so if I double click on this, I can add details to this task. If I didn't add a description, maybe I can add one here. So just a lot of different things you can do when you initially create your Google Tasks.